Now, very good afternoon to everyone. Now, it is the second day of 5 days workshop on Vedic math. Now, today we will discuss multiplication with 11, 111, 1111, and so on. Means all numbers are 1. So, whenever we are to multiply any number with the double one, triple one, 4 ones, and so on. Next, we will discuss multiplication with 21, 211, 2111, means starting with the 2 and rest all the numbers are 1, all the digits are 1, or 31, 311, 3111, and so on. Continue like this. 91, 91, or 911, 9111, and so on. Also, we will discuss today multiplication with 12. Now, what is the difference between these two? Here it is 21 and it is 12. Means this number is 21 is ending with 1, and in the 12 we have starting number is 1 and with the 2. Similarly, in this number, starting number is 2, rest all digits are 1, and in this number, starting with 1, unit digit is 2, rest all the numbers are 1. Similarly, so on. Here 2111 starting with 2 and all the numbers are 1, and in this number all the numbers are starting from 1 and unit digit is 2, and so on. Now, first of all, I will start the multiplication with 11. Now, whenever we are to multiply any number with 11. We are to multiply with the 11. So, first of all, we will write 1 0 in the last and 1 0 on the front side of the number. Now, next step is we will make a pair of 2 digits. First of all, first pair will be 1 0. Second pair is 21. Next pair is 0 2. Now, one by one, we will add these pairs. Not pairs means numbers in the pair. For example, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 0 plus 2 is 2. So, answer is 2, 3, 1. So, when we multiply 21 with 11, so we will get 231. Now, one more example. Now we will multiply 35 into 11. So again, I will write a 0 in the last and 0 in the first. Now, first of all, we will add these two numbers. Means first pair will be 50, 50. Second pair will be 35, and last pair will be 0, 3. Or you can directly add. First of all, you can add 5 plus 0, that is 5. Next is 3 plus 5, that is 8. And next is 0 plus 3 is 3. So answer is 385. Next we have 472, and we are to multiply this with 11. So again, I will write 0 in the last and 0 in the first. Now I will add these two numbers. I will get 2. After that I will add 7 and 2, 9. After that I will add 4 and 7. Now here 4 plus 7 is 2-digit number. So when we add first pair, we get 2-digit number. Again, when we add 7 plus 2, we get 1-digit number. But here, when we add 4 and 7, we get 2-digit number. So whenever we get 2-digit number, then in that case we will apply balancing rule. And in the last pair we will add 0 and 4, and we will get 4. Now I will apply balancing rule. This is 1-digit number, so I will write as it is 9. Now here it is a 2-digit number, so I will write 1 here, and this one I will add in the next number. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So answer is 5192. Now one more example of this type. Now we will multiply 7, 8, 2, 5 with 11. So last 0, and we will write 1 0 in the last and 1 0 in the first. Now we will add, first of all we will add 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now next pair, when we will add 7 and 8, we will get 15, and 0 plus 7, that is 7. Now because here we get 2-digit number, so we will apply balancing rule. Now 5, because it is a 1-digit number, 7 as it is. Now from 2-digit number I will write here 0, and 1 I will add in next number 5. So it is 6. Now and this one I will add in next 7. So 1 plus 7, that is 8. So answer is 86075. Now this was the method when we are to multiply any number with 11. Now same procedure we will adopt when we will multiply any number with 111. Here we have 3 ones. In the last we have 2 ones. So in that case we write 1 0 in the last and 1 0 in the first. Now here we have 3 ones. So I will write 2 0 in the last and 2 0 in the first. Now because here are 3 ones, so I will make a pair of 3-digit numbers. First of all I will add 500. So I will get 5. Next I will add next 3 numbers. 250, that is 7. Next 025, again I will get 7. Next last pair will be 002. So when we will add 002, I will get 2. So answer is 2775. If we got 2-digit number anywhere when we add the pair, then we will apply balancing rule. Now next example, we have 351, and we are to multiply this with 111. Because here are 3 ones, so 2 0 in the last and 2 0 in the first. Now I will add a pair of 3 numbers, 3 digits. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. Next pair 5, 1, 0, that is 6. Next pair 3, 5, 1, we will get 9. Next pair 0, 3, 5, 8. And next 0, 0, 3, that is 3. So answer will be 3, 8, 9, 6, 1. One more example. Now we will multiply 4, 7, 3 with triple 1. Again, I will write 2 zeros. Now, one by one, I will add pair of 3 digits. 3 plus 0, that is 3. Next pair is 7, 3, 0. Now I am getting 2-digit number. So whenever we will get 2-digit number, so in that case we will apply balancing rule. Now 7 plus 3 plus 0, we will get 10. Next 4, 7, 3. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 3, 14. Next pair is 0, 4, 7, that is 11. Next is 0, 0, 4, that is 4. Now we will apply balancing rule. Now this is 3. From this I will write 0 and 1 I will add in 4. Now I will get 5. Now 1 here I will add in next number 2 and this one I will add in 4, that is 5. So answer is 52503. Here we apply balancing rule. Why? Because when we add the pair of 3 digits, we get a 2-digit number. Now next one more example. 7, 8, 2, 1, 5. Now 2 0 in the last and 2 0 in the first. Now we will add 3 digits, 5, next 6, next 3 numbers, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8, next 3 digits, 11. Now because 2-digit number, so we will apply balancing rule. So 7 plus 8 plus 2, that is 17. Now next 15, next 0, 0, 7, that is 7. Now we will apply balancing rule. 5, 6, 8, 1, 8, 6, 8. So answer is 8, 6, 8, 1, 8, 6, 5. Now same procedure when we will multiply with 4 ones. Here we have 4 ones. So we will write 3 zeros in the last and 3 zeros in the first. So now we will add 4 digits. We will make a pair of 4 digits and we will add these numbers. Now 5, next pair is 8, next pair of 4 numbers, again we will get 8, next again we will get 8, next we will get 3. Next, again we will get 11, and in the last we will get 8. Now we will apply balancing rule. 3, 1, 2, 9. So answer is, I think there is a mistake here. Now again I will try. I will multiply 83 with, so 3 zeros in the last, 3 zeros in the front of the number. Now pair of 4 numbers. 3. Next it is 11. Next again we will get 11. Next again we will get 11, and in the last we will get 8. Now it is okay. Now we will apply balancing rule. 3, 1, 2, 2 and 9. So answer is 9, 2, 2, 1, 3. Now next method is, when we multiply any number with 21, 31, so same procedure can be adopted. Now, for example, we are to multiply 71 with 21. Because 21, here we have 2 digits, so we will write 1 0 in the last and 1 0 in the front of the number. Now, again we will make a pair of two numbers. One pair is 70, second pair is 37, and next pair is 03. Now, note this step. Now, because here is 2, so we will multiply this number with the 2 and add this number. 0 into 2, that is 0 plus 7. We will get 7. In this pair, again we will get this number by 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Next, again we will multiply this number with the 2 and add 0.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Screen is not sharing, sir.
Wait, sir, wait. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I am repeating. Now, when we are to multiply 37 with 21, so I will write 1 0 in the last and 1 0 in the front of the number. Now, again I will make pair of 2 numbers. First pair is 70, second pair is 37, and next pair is 03. Now we will multiply this number with the 2 and add 7, because here we are multiplying with the 21. So 2 into 0, 0 plus 7, that is 7. Multiply this number 7 with the 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Now again I will multiply this number with the 2 and add this number. 2 into 3, 6 plus 0, 6. Now I will apply balancing rule. 7, 7, 7. So answer is 777. Now next example. Now we will multiply. If we are to multiply 37 with 3 1, so 1 0 in the last, 1 0 in the first. Again I will make pairs of 2 numbers, 70, 37, 03. Because here I am multiplying with 31, so I will multiply this number with 0 and this number with 3 and add next number. So 3 into 0, 0 plus 7, that is 7. Next, multiply with 3, 21 plus 3, 24. Multiply with 3, 9 plus 0, 9. Now apply balancing rule. 7, 4, 11. So answer is 1147. Now next, if we are to multiply 37 with 211, here we have 3 digits. So I will write 2 zeros last and 2 zero in the first. Now I will make a pair of 3 digits 700. Next pair will be 370. Next is 037. Next pair is 003. Now, in the first pair, because I am multiplying here with the 211, so I will multiply this number with the 2 and add the rest numbers. 2 into 0, 0 plus 7, 7. Again, I will multiply with the 2, 0 plus 7 plus 3, 10. Again, I will multiply this number with the 2, 14 plus 3, 17. Multiplying with the 2, 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. Now applying balancing rule, 7, 0, 8, 7. So answer is 7, 8, 0, 7. So same, when we will multiply 37 with the 311, so we will multiply here with the 3 and we will solve accordingly. Now next is, in the last slide, we multiply with the 21 or 211. Now I will multiply with the 12 or 112. Almost procedure is same, just slightly change in the procedure method. Now 37, we are to multiply 37 with the 12. There is a mistake here. It is not 21, it is 12. Now 37, because it is a 2-digit number, so I will write 0 in the last and 10 in the first. Now again, because it is a 2 digits, so I will make a pair of 2 digits, 70, 37, 03. Now when we multiply 37 with the 21, so I multiply 70, means this pair, I multiply this number with the 2 and add, then I add 7 here. But when we will multiply with the 12, we will multiply this number with the 2 and add the other number. Now 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 0, 14. Again, in this pair, I will multiply this digit with the 2. 6 plus 7, that is 13. In this pair again, I will multiply this number with the 2. 2 into 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Now I will apply balancing rule. 4, 4, 4. Okay. Now next, when we are to multiply 41 with 112. Now because it is a 3-digit number, so we will first of all we will write 2 zeros in the last and 2 zeros in the front of the number. Now again I will make a pair of 3 digits, 700. Next pair will be 470. Next pair is 047. And next pair is 004. Now I will multiply. Now I will multiply this number with the 2 and add the other digits. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 0 plus 0, that is 14. Again I will multiply this number with the 2. 8 plus 7 plus 0, that is 15. Multiplying with the 2, 0 plus 4 plus 7, that is 11. Now multiplying with the 2, 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. Now we will apply balancing rule. 4, 6, 2, 5. So answer is 5, 2, 6, 6, 6, 4. Now next, one more example. Here we will multiply 52 with 311. So I will write 2 zeros in the last and 2 zeros in the front of the number. Again I will make a pair of 3 numbers, 200. Next pair is 520. Next pair is 052. And last pair is 005. Now here, because we are multiplying with 311, so I will multiply this number with 3 and add the other digits. 3 into 2, 6, plus 0 plus 0, that is 6. 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17. 3 into 0, 0 plus 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now 3 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is 5. Now I will apply balancing rule. 6, 7, 8, 5. Now one more example. In the last example, when we multiply 1, 2, 3 with 5, 1, 1, 1. Now here we have 4 digits. So we will write 3 zeros in the last and 3 zeros before the number. Now I will make a pair of 4 digits. First pair will be 3000. Next pair will be 2300. Next pair 1230. Next pair is 0123. Next 0012. And last pair is 0001. Now, because we are multiplying with 5111, means this number is starting with 1. So we will multiply this number with 5 and add the other numbers. So we will get 15. Multiply with 5, 10 plus 3, 13. 5 into 1, 5, plus 2 plus 3, 10. Multiplying with 5, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Next, we will multiply this number with 5. 0 plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. And in the last, we will multiply this number with 5 and add the other number, and I will get 1. Now applying balancing rule. 5, 4, 1, 7, 3, 1. So answer is 1, 3, 7, 1, 4, 5. Now next method is multiplying with 9s. Here we have 3 types. In the first type, we have the same number of digits in both sides. 258 with 999. Here we have 3 numbers, 3 digits and 3 nines. In the second type, the number of digits, number of 9 is 3. But here the digits are 2. Means here the digits are less than number of nines. And in the third type, number of nines are 2 and number of digits are 3, means number of digits in a number is greater than the number of nines. We will discuss first type. It is already discussed. We have already discussed it yesterday. Here, number of digits are same, 2 nines. Here we have 2 nines and 2 digits, 3 nines, 3 digits, 4 nines, 4 digits, 5 nines, 5 digits, or means number of the digits in number which are to multiply with 9 and the number of nines are same. Now, it is already discussed in yesterday's lecture. Now 68 into 99. First of all, we will subtract 1 from this number. We will get 67. Now we will find complement of 68. Now complement of 68, all from 9, last from 10, and we will get 32. And I will write here 32. So answer is 6732. Next example, 631 with the 999. First of all, we will subtract 1 from this number. We will get 630. After that, I will write its complement by keep in mind all from 9, last from 10. It will be 369. Next example, 3513 with 4 nines. First of all, I will subtract 1, 3512. Now its complement 3513, complement of 3513, all from 9, last from 10. 6487. So answer is 3512, 6487. In the last example, we have 25481 and we are to multiply with 5 nines. Subtract 1 from this number, 25480. Now we will find its complement, all from 9, last from 10, 7, 7, 4, 5, 1, 9. So answer is 25480, 74519. So next type, second type, 58 with the 999. Here the digits, number of nines are 3, but here the number of digits in this number is 2, means less. So we will make the number of digits in each number, make it same by, if we will write here 0 in the front of 58. Now we can use first type. Here the number of nines are 3 and number of the digits in this number is 3. Now what we did here, subtract 1 from this number, we will get 057. Now we will find its complement, all from 9, last from 10, 942. So answer is 57942. Now next example, 63999. So I will write 0 in the front of number. Now I will subtract 1 from this number, it is 062. Now I will find its complement. It will be 937. So answer is 062937. Next example, 258 with 4 nines. So I will write 0 because here we have 4 nines. Now first of all I will subtract 1 from this number. It is 0257. Now its complement, all from 9, last from 10, 9742. Now one more example. If we are to multiply 58 with 4 nines, because here we have 4 nines and here we have 2 digits, so I will write 2 zeros before this number 58. Now it is question of type 1. Now I will apply first type. First of all I will subtract 1 from this number, 0057. Now its complement, 99910. It is 9942. So answer is 579942. And last example is 351 with 4 nines. Again I will write 1 0 before this number. First of all I will subtract 1. 0350. Now its complement, 99910. 9649. So answer is 3509649. One more example, if we are to multiply 35 with 5 nines. Here we have 5 nines. So I will write 3 zeros in the front of this number, before this number. Now it is a question of type 1. So first of all we will subtract 1 from this number, 00034. Now its complement of this number, it is 99965. So answer is 3499965. Now we will discuss third type. Last type. Here we have number of nines which are less than the number of digits in this number. Here the number of 9 is 1, but the digits in this number is 2. Here we have 2 nines, but the digit in this number is 3. 2 nines, but the digits are 4. 3 nines, digits are 4, and so on. Now I am starting with a simple question. Now we are to multiply here 46 with 9. Now because here it is 1 9, so I will keep this one number, and now the rest I will add 1 in the rest number. The 4 plus 1 is 5. Now I will subtract 5 from this 46. Now when we subtract 5 from 46, I will get 41. And in the next step, third step, in the first step I add 1 in this number 4, 5. In the second step I subtract 5 from the whole number, I get 45. In the third step I will find complement of 6, and we know that complement of 6, that is 4, and I write here 4. So answer is 414. So when we multiply 46 with 9, So answer will be 414. Now one more example. 581 with 2 nines. Here we have 2 digits, 2 nines. So I will make a pair of 2 numbers starting from right. Now see, I will add 1 in the other number in the first step. 5 plus 1, 6. Now in the second step, I will subtract 6 from the whole number. So it is 575. Now I will find complement of 81. So complement of 81, that is 19. So answer is 57519. One more example. If we are to multiply 5812 with 2 nines. Here we have 2 nines. So I make a pair of 2 numbers here starting from right. Now I will add 1 in this number. So it is 59. In the second step, I will subtract 59 from whole number. So it is 3, 5, 7, 5. Now in the third step, I will find complement of 12. That is all from 9, last from 10. So it is 8, 8. So answer is 5753888. Next question, 632399. Here we have 2 nines. So I make a pair of 2 digits from right. Now first of all I will add 1. So that is 64. Now I will subtract 64 from the whole number. 9, 5, 2, 6. Now in the third step I will find complement of 23. That is 7, 7. So answer is 625977. So last 6323 with 3 nines. Here we have 3 numbers, 3 nines. So first step I will add 1 in this number. 6 plus 1, that is 7. So I will subtract 7 from this number, whole number. So answer is 6316. In the third step, I will find complement of 3, 2, 3, 9, 9, 10. That is 6, 7, 5. Sorry, last is 7. 6, 7, 7. So answer is 631667. So this was the today's lecture. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.